Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to update emojis on your iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to power and that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. To get the latest set of emojis, you only need to have the most recent iOS version running on your iPhone. To update to the latest iOS version, go to Settings, select General, and tap on Software Update. Now download and install the update. If it is available, once you have the latest iOS version installed, all new emojis will be available for you immediately. Please keep in mind that if you own an older iPhone model, it is possible that you may be unable to install the latest iOS version. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.